What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some classic BLTs. A perfect summer treat, baby. So, let's treat ourselves and get moving, shall we? Yeah. That's right, baby, the BLT. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, isn't that kind of self-explanatory, man? A BLT, I mean, everybody knows how to do that. Yeah, you're right. But it's good, it's easy, and that's what I'm doing. So, get with it, baby. First thing that you gotta do, get you some toast, man. Now, if you got a toaster, you can go ahead and throw it in the toaster. Me, I just put mine in the skillet, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, you couldn't wait for us to get toasted? Well, you know me. I ain't got time for that shit, so going ahead and toasted my bread already. So next thing that we gotta do is get us some bacon. That good stuff, baby. Everything is better with bacon, and this is all about the bacon. So I love it. Now today I got some naturally hickory smoked bacon. Good stuff. Not too expensive either, and it'll make you a good meal. So we're gonna bust that open and we're gonna put it in the pan if I can get it open. You know these packages. A little tricky to get open, aren't they? My advice, get you a big old knife and just go at it like Crocodile Dundee. Now, let's go ahead and got myself on that one. That's pretty good. We're going to put that bacon down in there. That babe. And you're saying to yourself, oh, Black Owl, not babe. That was a cute little movie. Well, you know, if that pig came up to me and he said, oh, mister, you know, no, I don't want to hear it because I saw you over there conversating with those geese, and y'all know geese is ulterior motive. So, put your bacon down in the pan and let it fry, baby. Let it do its thing. Watch out for that popping grease. Don't put your finger in there. You're going to be like Ric Flair going, woo! So, bacon down in there. And to flip, skip the spatula, baby. We ain't talking about no SpongeBob today. What you got to do is get you a fork, man. This is my grandfather's trick because when you're ready to flip, take the fork and you stick it in one end. And that's going to allow you to stretch that bacon out and lay it down properly, sir. So, good stuff. And you know, just that smell of bacon, it makes me want to sing. And you know that I got to sing about my love for bacon, my endless love, and the love I have inside. And I'll give it all to you, my love, my endless love. So, while I'm in here loving on this bacon, I'll go over and get my vegetables cut. Once the bacon is done, I will come back and we'll be ready to put this bad boy together. Doesn't that sound good? Does to me. So, let's skedaddle and get her done. Oh yeah, buddy boy. That bacon is done. And my girlfriend's already snuck in here and stole some like Metal Gear Solid. So, we better get to putting this together before the bacon's all gone. First thing that you gotta do, or first thing that I did, went ahead and tore up some lettuce. Not cut up, but tore up. Kind of just took my hand and pulled it apart because you want some big pieces of lettuce on this bad dude right here. Then, I went ahead and got some tomatoes and sliced them thick, boy. Just like me. You got that thick, that bacon, you got that thick, that tomato. Can't go wrong with it. So, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you get these tomatoes out of your garden? No, I didn't. Mine are not ready yet. They're just now flowering. And I ain't got time to wait. I ain't got time for that shit. So, we're going to go ahead and do what we do today. Now, lettuce, tomatoes all ready. Bacon is done. And you're saying to yourself, you know, bacon, lettuce, and tomato, that's how it goes together. No, it's not. It's actually a little different. So, let me show you how I do it. First thing that I do, go ahead and take some of this big leafy lettuce and put it down on the bottom there. I like to use quite a bit because I like that crunch, like that owl in that Tootsie Roll. Now, next thing, we're going to get us some tomatoes. And two we'll do on these. Pretty good sized tomatoes that I got today, and they look awful juicy too. So, speaking of which, got to refuel. Oh, it's that melon cart. Tasty. So, lettuce, tomatoes, what's left? Of course, the sow, baby, the bacon. That fat back. Put that on top of there. Good stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And look at it now. It's just beautiful. But you're saying to yourself like, oh, I know you, and I know that you're going to get extra saucy tonight. Well, you're right. And thank you for letting me have another. I appreciate that. Oh, man, I love that stuff. So, speaking of stuff I love, Miracle Whip, baby. Now, this is going to be a discussion. We're going to have a debate on this because some people are going to say, Black Ellen, I don't like Miracle Whip. I like mayonnaise. Well, to me, Miracle Whip, it's just got a little something extra, a little something sweet. If you like to use mayo, go ahead and use mayo. I still love you, but I don't like you right now because I'm a Miracle Whip man. That's the way I was raised. That's my daddy's good stuff. So we're going to sprinkle some of that on top. A lot of that on top for me because I like it. So now, go ahead and get your top piece of toast. And ooh, 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 buddy boy. That's a treat for the eyes, and I know it's going to be a treat for the gut. So first, we'll take our eyes on a journey and take a sight, and then we're going to take our gut to follow and take a bite. So take that sight, and then join me back for the bite, and we're going to have a good time tonight. And you know that's right. See what I did? Rhyming man. Wow. Alright, baby, the time has come. The BLT is done, and I'm having the first bite for Big Papa. So, let me get a big old bite of this beautiful BLT. Look at it hanging outside. Inviting. Oh, man, that right there. Leave me for a minute. That sucker, man. I taste that and instantly I'm taken back and I'm sitting on my grandma's couch watching Bonanza. I'm drinking an Orange Crush. And I don't have no Orange Crush today, but this will do. Man, it's just, like I said in the beginning, it's classic, it's easy to make, there's really nothing to it, but there is really something to it. The combination of those flavors, the bacon, the lettuce, the tomato. You got that sweet, you got that crunchy, you got that salty, you got that hog on there. And that toasted bread. And of course the whip, let it whip. So, I want to thank you and welcome you back to another episode of Cooking with Black Ellen. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you stayed. So, if you like what you see, go ahead and follow me on my social media. And you can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, sorry, kind of stumbled there a little bit, but you know, the BLT is just taking me beyond. So I've got to go. I've got to go enjoy myself. Y'all go enjoy yourself. And I love you to death. So, thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet memories.